free radical biology. Why makalupig niya? Naas pangalan niya ang SOV, McCord units. Kasi mulalis pa niya, right? So when he did this, so this must be good. And because of this, patented. What more proof? Patented siya. Protandim now has 9 patents worldwide. 6 in the US, 1 in China, in Hong Kong, 2 in Japan. And for a company to have patents sa product mismo sa Japan, it must be good. And look at the patents. Look. Composition patent. Composition. Composition. And then here is method and composition. In other words, bali-balibon pa, wag na yung makakopya na patented na sa LifeVantage. Okay, here's academic confirmation. After that video came out, after this video came out in 2005, old video man to, universities, medical universities in the US that saw that, called Dr. Joe McCord and told him, we want to fund our own studies on your product. So those studies you see, wala nang i-fund sa LifeVantage. Those were funded by independent medical universities. All of these studies, altitude sickness, skin cancer, smoking cessation, renal failure, osteoarthritis, HRV, AIDS, hypertension, uban pa, multiple sclerosis, okay? Fatty liver, metabolic syndrome. One earlier mentioned that she lost 10 pounds after 1 month. Ano siya, metabolic syndrome? My good friend here, Tanya, was able to successfully stop smoking. So, wow, this is true after taking Protandim. Okay, there's a lot of others. But again, disclaimer lang, Protandim is not the one that's healing you. It's your own body. Kasabot? Because now, your body can do what it is supposed to do. Heal itself. That's how God programmed your genes to do. Heal you. Except lang na overwhelmed sa free radicals. Now, when you remove the cause of the sakit, then you feel better. Are you following? Yes. Okay. So, these are samples of the research of Protandim that you can see on PubMed.gov. Daghan kay na. These are studies published. Free radical biology, enzyme research. All of this, you want to check all of them individually, you can go to PubMed.gov. And, okay, here's the site, PubMed.gov. After I heard of PubMed.gov, in this world, bitaw na people say, ay, this is so much better. Maayo din ni Sharol. What I do now is I go to this site and I would research. I would type the product mismo dito. O naay mo drop down ng mga studies, then it's legit. Tinuuray na I study now. You have to be careful. We are educating you, ha? If people or companies that will claim that their product is really good, they will say, my science ni. Ask them, is the science what you can see here? Because if you type here, oxidative stress, ang mugawas, 131 kabuok studies. 131,000 diha studies. If you type glutathione, which their product is based on, daghan kay manggawas. Stem cell therapy, daghan kay manggawas. But the key is you type the name of the product. If there is a research on the product mismo, then that's something terrific. Protandim, I typed it, nanggawas na tanan. Okay. I typed other products na niingon mas maayo. I typed that. Awa ang migawas. The following term was not found in PubMed. Walay clinical studies on the product mismo. But on glutathione, daghan kaayo. But they cannot angkon that. That's not theirs. Glutathione study is the whole world study. Okay, we all know what it does, okay? But on the product mismo, wala. Okay? I typed laminine. Ang nigawas, did you mean laminin? Okay, our bodies have laminin mangyud. So naagidaghan, laminin, 21,000. Pero laminine, wala. Kaya nga pa na, ni-drop down na ang kato. Okay? You type, after offered Protandim, there were still 3 companies that said theirs was better, which is not included here, okay? I'll type next time, para ipakita ninyo.
Sige.
But, ayun ko, okay, I welcome that. Stem cell therapy, nindot ka ni Rol, stem cell therapy. Akong gitype, Cellergen. Uy, ni-error, what man? I typed StemTech. Ang pangalan sa product, diba? Uy, wala, ni-error po. So, I'm so glad I found PubMed.gov. Naapoy usa. I even asked Eli, oh, I did that. A company, Nerve to Activator ko, no? Nerve to Activator. Because this one is Nerve to Activator. Nylon something. I typed on PubMed.com, uy, why ni gawas? Which means to say, wala siya studies. Anyway, what am I saying? Protandim has remarkable results. Look at this. This is oxidative stress level at different ages. 20, 40, 60, 80. As you grow older, oxidative stress also increases. It's like without creatinine. The higher the measure, mas kuyaw. Okay? Kung low ang measure, it's good. It means you're healthy. When you take Protandim, kuno, after 1 month, all will drop to the level of a 20-year-old. Okay? So if you have been using it for 30 days, look at this. Before Protandim, oni, tag-as kay oxidative stress level. After 30 days, kining yellow or green ba ni? Tuwa, ni ubos. After 120 days, uy, ni ubos na gyud. Bata na gyud ka. So I told earlier, the lady at the back, when people ask you how old you are, tell them you're 20. 20. Because after one month, wait, you know deep inside your body, you are 20 years old. Alright? So, after Protandim, we can no longer distinguish the 80-year-old from the 20-year-old. And if you keep on using it for a year, you will start to look 20. Okay? Now, in summary, to summarize, Protandim reduces cellular aging in 30 days, neutralizes free radicals at the rate of 1 million to 1, has 9 patents now, 6 in the US, 1 in China, 2 in Japan, increases gluta by 300%, increases catalase production by 54%, increases SOD by 34%, decreases oxidative stress by a minimum of 40% because others go down to 70%. If it goes down 70%, you can say you are 10 years old. Okay? Proven by science, has 16 peer-reviewed published clinical studies on PubMed.gov, and only 1 pill a day. Yes. You don't have to mega dose. Alright? Just 1. Before, my kids would run away from me because I would chase them with this daghan nga vitamins. Uy, anak, garlic, vitamin C, B complex, everything. Karon, may mangita, maasa kong Protandim. Usa naman lang. May libog, right? Okay. There. So, isn't this an amazing product?
Yes.
Amazing. Tubad mo, amazing?
Amazing.
Yes. So, if what you just heard is true, and it is true, okay, scientifically proven, wouldn't you want to take this? Yes. Very good. Wouldn't you want your loved ones to take this too? Yes. Dapat. So, before we proceed, ako gining i-update din. The science of Protandim proves that even in our bodies, God is in control. Amen? He gave us an amazing body, right? Right. Okay. And thank God for the wisdom He gave to Dr. Joe McCord. Okay, not anybody can think about that kaya. Right? Kung siya gitag-aagoy sa ni Solomon. Okay? And then, thank God for the creation that we now have. Thank God for Bacopa, Ashwanda, milk thistle, turmeric. Thank God for that. Okay? Amazing? Amazing. I love this audience. Okay. So, again, question. How important is your health? Very important. Okay. Our health always seems much more valuable after we lose it. Correct? Yes. If you think wellness is expensive, then try illness. Yun na, pinaka-ron! Pinaka-ron! 2006, ay mahal. Suwaying magkasakit, di ba mas mahal? Okay, correct. Di ba natin old saying, an ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. There. So, there's more. When you are 20 on the inside, you feel young, correct?
Of course.
Right. Na-testimony si Angel na feel young. Very good. Okay? Mo feel young, yung ka. Mo ka naka-20 anyos. And if you are not in a hurry, after 1 year, you will look young also. Okay? Dr. Joe McCord actually looks so much younger now. That video was taken in 2005, right? But if you are in a hurry to look young, pwede po, in 2 months, mo young looking dayon ka. True. Di ka magdabadose, ma'am. Ewan si Dayan, magdabadose. No! 1 pill a day ra. But, naay way, we will put Vicky Bello out of business. How? Naaman po siya anti-aging regimen. Protendim in cream form. Paminaw Dayan. Protendim in cream form, what na need pang plansyahon ng imong na or i-botox ka? Kay proven po, when they made this, okay, all of those pinakamahal na mga anti-aging, i-compare. They tested it, and all of these photos you, di na ko usahon. Pictures speaks louder than words. I'll show you pictures. But they tested. And remember again, knowing the background of the track record of Protandim of LifeVantage, all natural, no harmful ingredients, okay? So I will not read this. All of these are the results. Show you pictures. Claro? Day 1, 2, I said 2 months, no? Day 1, look, dagko kay pores. Ano yung problema sa mga babae, no? Dagko kay pores yun. Diba? Dove ko no makes your pores fine, Olay, di ba all of that? Look, day 1, up day 56, what na kay maklaro ni Pino, kene. Day 1, awan ng linya, o ang crow's feet. But day 56, nawa ang linya, o nihanap-hanap ang crow's feet. Kene yun siya. Day 1, look, tanawa ni, makaingon ka ba, sige, make-upan rani, but no, look at this. The droop of the eyes here, nawa na dinhin. Klaro? Ang kaklaro diri sa line, nawa na dinha. Yeah, that's the same smile, Rabaya. Kaklaro? 2 months. Okay? If you're in a hurry, alright? Like, pinuunod ka in 3 months, pag-regimen ka ron. Okay? Look at this guy. There. Crow's feet niya, grabe kay ka-define. Pag abot diri ni, wa na kay mo ni, wa na siya mo now. Tanawa ni iya ha. Ang drop sa iyahang diri sa bakpa, look klaro here, nawawa na. And then this one, day 1, tanawa ra gud ni, here. Day 5, ni hanap-hanap. Here, day 1, and then here, this is 2 months. There, you like it? Yes. Ladies, ayaw na mo pagpelo. Or magpa-derma,